Today, for beginners who are practicing the Loomis method, I will explain the proportions of the face and the location of the parts on the face according to the Loomis method before practicing. So, grab your drawing tools and let's embark on a comprehensive step-by-step journey to master the Loomis method for the front view of the head. Step 1. Cranium circle. Start by sketching a circle to represent the cranium. This circle serves as the foundation for the entire head. Draw a vertical line down the center of the circle to establish the midline. Add a horizontal line halfway between the top and bottom of the circle for the eyebrow line. These guidelines provide a reference for placing facial features accurately. Step 2. Dividing the face. Divide the half of the circle's two lines into 3 equal parts. A line will be drawn 1/3 of the way up the midline of the face. The upper line is represent the hairline and forehead, that's upper part of the face. The bottom 1/3 line represent the line that touches the tip of the nose and lower part of the face. The hairline typically begins slightly above the top of the head circle. Use gentle, curved lines to define the shape of the hairline, keeping in mind variations in hairstyles and forehead sizes. Step 3. Side of the head. Side of the head and ear between the eyebrows and the nose line. Divide 2 lines into 3 equal parts on the eyebrow line. These lines represent the side of the head, front view of head. In fact, these lines appear to be curved slightly upward rather than straight. The reason is that the head is based on a spherical shape. Step 4. Bottom of the face. If you continue to draw downwards according to the distance between the eyebrow line and the nose line, you should have a chin line. In other words, these lines represent the bottom of the face. These 3 lines are equidistant. Step 5. Proportions of the mouth. There are 3 equal parts between the nose and the chin, and the upper part is the mouth. Align the corners of the mouth with the center of the eyes for balance. Step 6. Locate the jawline. Between the eyebrow line and the nose line, the end of the jaw is located, and according to the Loomis method, it is the intersection point above the ear and the point that separates the front and sides of the face. Step 7. Distance of the chin. The distance between the center line of the face and the nose line touching the base of the ear is divided into 4 parts. The first part is the chin distance from one side of the chin. The distance between on each side is the same. Step 8. Location of the eye. To find the center of the eye line, draw a line from the top of the head to the chin and divide it into 2 equal parts. The center of line is the middle line of the eye. The lower eyelid line is located at the top of 3 equal parts between the eyebrow line and the nose line. The top line of the head and the middle line of the face will be divided into 3 parts. Then, above the eyebrow line, it will be divided into 4 parts. The first part of the 4 parts is rarely left. The second part and the third part are eye width distance. Step 9. Shaping the mouth. The tip of the lower lip should be in line with the rim of the iris or 1/3 of the width of the eye. The tip of the upper lip should be in line with the pupil. The edge of the lower lip should touch the edge of the circle and be inside the circle. Step 10. Glabella. It usually forms a gentle slope between the eyebrows and the nose bridge. We will find there's a keystone shape called glabella that sits between the eyebrow line and nose bridge. Males may have a more pronounced brow ridge, while females might have a smoother transition. Step 11. Curve of ears. We will draw 3 equal parts on each side of the circle. Touch the first part on the chin line and draw a line slightly inclined to the square corner of the top of the head. According to the Loomis method, the area where the upper eyelid line meets the slightly line is the point where the tip of the ear and touches the side of the head. In other words, the top of the ear is tilted downwards and the bottom of the ear is in line with the curved area. Each side should be the same, and the ears should be on the line of the eyebrows and the line of the nose. Step 12. Cheekbone and jawline connection. From the first part of the 3 equal part, we will draw a straight line from the top of the head to the chin line. The point where the line that center of the lips and the line meets the cheekbones and the jaw is curved. Alternatively, the jaw of the face seen straight ahead will be slightly tilted from the third point of the circle and will touch the chin. Step 13. An important location of eyes. There is an eye distance between one eye and another. The corners of the eyes are located in the first of 3 equal parts. Here, starting from the white of the eye called sclera, it is the distance between the 2 eyes is the width of one eye. It is not the distance from the corner of the eye. Step 14. Proportion of the nose. The inner corner of the eye and the side of the nose must be in the same line. The width of the nose is equal to the distance between the corner of the 2 eyes. Step 15. The most important of all. Now, the drawing method I share cannot always be defined as correct. You have to know that the drawing ratio changes depending on different people, different age, gender, and so on. But when drawing a human face freehand, knowing the proportions of the head and face according to the Loomis method will definitely help you. Okay, here are the facial features and location proportions that you need to know before practicing the Loomis method. If you understand these, you can practice Loomis method. If you want to ask anything, you can write and ask in the comment. Thanks for watching the video. I'm HK3. Have a nice day.
Yeah.